So we have our memory card, which is a 256 gigabyte for our GoPro. It's a Extreme Plus SanDisk memory card, SD card. So what we're going to do, that little slot that I showed you, we're gonna push this down into there, and then push it down until you hear it like click. It's like a little button, and then you want to close that. So then we want to hit the side of the button, and then GoPro should turn on. So we're now going to set up our GoPro. So we're going to choose our language right here, which we want to choose English. Now it's asking you, by using this GoPro, you agree to the terms and condition, use available at GoPro slash legal, GoPro.com. So if you agree with that, agree with it. If you disagree with that, then you might not be able to set up your GoPro. So we're going to agree with that. It's just asking you about if you agree with stuff. Now it's asking you, do you want to turn on your GPS location? So when you take videos, photos, it'll show your location. Right now we're going to say no. Next is going to ask you, do you want voice control, which you can control your GoPro with your voice? Right now we're going to say off. And what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to download that GoPro Quik app to set up this GoPro. If you need more information about it, you could click info and it will tell you about the app and direct you there. Okay, folks, to get your camera up and running, we have to first download that Quik app, that GoPro Quik app. So to do this, we have to get our cell phone out and we have to point our camera at that QR code, in which it should give us a link at the bottom to the GoPro Quik app. So now we got the GoPro Quik app connected. It recognizes our camera because it found our GoPro, our Mission 1 Pro GoPro. So now it's pairing. If it's your first time, you're gonna have to pair it and basically give it a couple of seconds. It's not gonna take that long to pair, but it's going to make sure it recognizes your camera. And once it's paired with your Quick app, it should let you know this. But you also will have to connect to your Wi-Fi, your home Wi-Fi or your cell phone Wi-Fi, just to make the process a little bit faster. So right here, it shows what updates we have to do before we can activate our GoPro. So since it's a new camera, we have to update it. So this process takes a little while because it's putting every update that the camera needs inside the camera. And frequently you might have to update your camera from time to time, but not a lot. But once you got your camera updated, you should be good. Okay, folks, so you want to make sure that your camera is fully updated and has all the updates, and you want to make sure that you're getting what GoPro actually promised us inside the camera. And trust me, this camera is not that cheap. So you want to make sure your camera is updated fully before you're able to use it. And once it starts connecting and you have to name your GoPro camera, that means you about to get into that Quick app and you about to take full control over your camera. You can pick and choose if you want to auto upload your videos or photos, but this is the pre-screen that you guys should see once your camera is updated. All right, guys, so we got this baby all set up. So what we want to do, we want to go to like the screen. So right now we're on low light mode, where you be able to shoot in low light and don't have to worry about your GoPro not picking up the darkness or the pictures or anything like that. Okay, folks, once you got the GoPro app set up with your GoPro, you could do a lot, as in change video quality, resolutions. You could do a lot with this. Also, you can see the photos and videos that you shot. Also, my feature that I like is that I can use my phone as a monitor. So I connect with the GoPro, and when it connects to the GoPro, it allows me, after I join the GoPro, it allows me to see what exactly the GoPro is seeing too. So that is amazing. If you have a GoPro further away from you and you want to connect that and you want to see what it sees, this is what I see. I have my anchor charger connected to the GoPro because after I updated the GoPro, I needed some battery because it took out a lot of battery. Also, with the app, if you have your camera far away from you, you could record from your phone and get the GoPro to record, take pictures, and et cetera, et cetera. I love GoPro. I take it on the road with me all the time. But I hope you guys liked the video and enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and also subscribe. And tune in for more from me, myself, Travis. Alrighty, guys. Deuces.